Future-proofing public lighting, integrating Zigbee and NB-IoT into existing infrastructures. Zigbee and NB-IoT technologies are transforming public lighting infrastructure, enabling efficient and connected systems, and driving innovation towards smarter cities. What is Zigbee technology? Zigbee connects devices like lights, sensors, and switches, forming a reliable, low-power mesh network ideal for outdoor smart applications like street lighting. What is NB-IoT? NB-IoT is a wireless technology ideal for remote areas, providing extensive coverage, energy efficiency, and long battery life for low-data devices like sensors and meters. How to integrate Zigbee and NB-IoT? With a well-planned strategy, cities can overcome the challenges of integrating Zigbee and NB-IoT into existing lighting systems, driving innovation and advancement. Evaluation. Assess your existing lighting system, considering fixture types, age, and control systems, to identify upgrade areas and integration points for Zigbee and NB-IoT. Planning. Develop a comprehensive plan to integrate Zigbee and NB-IoT into your lighting system, prioritizing high-traffic areas and energy consumption hubs to maximize smart lighting benefits. Select the hardware. Choose LED fixtures and sensors compatible with Zigbee and NB-IoT, considering compatibility, reliability, and cost to meet your smart lighting needs. Installation. Install hardware with a certified contractor following guidelines. Set up Zigbee, NB-IoT devices and sensors, then thoroughly test the system for seamless functionality. Integration. Integrate smart lighting with existing systems for seamless communication and data exchange, establishing interoperability protocols for efficient system interaction. Testing. Conduct real-world testing to evaluate system performance, identify issues, and make adjustments to enhance reliability and performance for optimal operation. Maintenance. Train personnel and end users on smart lighting system operation and maintenance, and establish a monitoring plan to ensure prompt issue resolution and stay updated on software and technological advancements. Challenges in merging Zigbee and NB-IoT technologies. Compatibility issues, power consumption management, data security and privacy, regulatory compliance and certification. Wrapping it up, integrating Zigbee and NB-IoT into existing lighting systems enables cities to unlock the full potential of smart lighting, creating a more interconnected and efficient urban infrastructure. FAQs. Regulatory requirements. Regulatory requirements to consider include safety standards, environmental regulations, and data protection laws. Power consumption. Power consumption is managed through efficient design and operation. Integrate Zigbee and NB-IoT. Zigbee and NB-IoT integration enables better control, monitoring, and optimization of public lighting.